Hey guys, welcome to week 5. It looks like we have a short list, but some of these may take a little bit longer. You have 12 topics on linear equations. You have your EOC practice again. If you want to check your answers for EOC practice number 7, just send me a message and I'd be happy to share the answers with you. You guys have a Desmos activity again. So some of you guys are doing them, you like them, some of you are just avoiding them. So you're going to click this link, go to Desmos, and I'll just show you possibly. I'll go in as myself. Alright, so you're going to sort these out. It says, this one, it's just going to check your answers. Just read the questions, use your notes. This is great practice, and I'm going to grade these answers, and that is going to be that grade, alright? And that's it for this week, just those 3 things. Heads up, next week, you are going to have an actual EOC practice test. And some of you are going to say, well, Miss, in Algebra 1B, we're doing one this week. No, the test in Algebra 1B is to practice the tools. This is going to so you can practice your actual knowledge of it and see, if you have any questions, we're going to go over specific problems and that. So that's it for this week. If you have any questions, as always, please just let me know.